flash in the pan. Catch it if you can before you burn out. Let loose, let your chain hang down. Time to level up, son, make your mind proud. When it's over, it's over. Overtime ain't an option. Not dropping the beat can come back to haunt you. Out your seat, suit up and run the gauntlet. Go hard and all, you can't stop it. Reach up, reel it in, breathe. Take it when, stand up, let me see you do it. Don't stop, gotta keep it moving. Don't stop, gotta keep it moving. Don't stop, gotta keep it moving. Don't stop. Don't stop, gotta keep it moving. Don't stop. Don't stop, gotta keep it moving. Don't stop, gotta keep it moving.
Unang-una sa lahat, gusto kong magpasalamat sa'yo. Salamat sa pagmamahal at tiwalang ibinibigay mo. Salamat sa pagdating sa buhay ko. Salamat sa pananatili sa pinakamahihirap na sitwasyon. Hindi ka sumuko at hindi mo ako sinukuan.
Love is lost and love is found.
Today, I stand before you making the most important promise of my life. You are my first love, the one who showed me what it truly means to be valued and to be deeply loved. And will always have my heart. I know you will be my last, the one I will choose over and over again for the rest of my life.
Helps you see.
Christian, Asiche, sinubok na ng panahon, pero alam ko pong napagandang tambalan ito because of their support system, because of their love for each other.
Mommy ko, papayakin ako ulit. Mas nakakaiyak to. Sana nandito siya, yun lang.
Mami Len, kung nakikinig po kayo, maraming salamat po sa tiwala na binigay nyo sa akin simula pa nung una. Mahal na mahal ko po itong anak nyo at ako na po ang bahala sa kanya. Magiging katuwang po nila ako sa lahat. Mahal po namin kayo at salamat po.
With you.
Christian, Chester, nalampasan nyo na ang lahat at alam ko wala na kayo ibang pwedeng malampasan pa sa inyong road to forever. We are all praying for you na sana patuloy lang kayo sa inyong buhay bilang mag-asawa.
Ito na yung pinakahihintay nating araw. Mahabang preparasyon, maraming pagtatalo, pero mas lalo lang tayong pinatibay nito. Di ko rin alam kung paano ito sisimulan. Halo-halo yung emosyon ko habang sinusulat ko ito. Masaya na may halong kaba. Ngayon pa lang nagsisink in sa akin na ganito na pala kalayo yung narating natin ng mag-asama.
I vow to stand beside you through laughter and tears. I promise to support your dreams, to listen, and to love you with kindness even on the hardest day. I choose you as my first, my last, and my always. No matter where life takes us, my heart will always find its way back to you. Ayok na! Let's sing a bongoy. Thank you. Ang gaganda ng nakaway.
Gusto ko lang malaman mo na mahal kita at patuloy kitang mamahalin sa kahit anong maging estado ng buhay natin. Sa pinakamaganda o pinakamahirap man, mapagtatagumpayan natin ang lahat basta magtiwala ka lang. Dahil walang ibibigay sa atin ng Diyos na hindi natin kayang mapagtagumpayan. Maraming salamat po sa pagtataguyod sa amin. Kaya nakarating kami dito.
Christian, it is now your privilege to kiss your wife.
I would do it all. would do it all again with you.
May gift kami sa inyo.
Podcast ha? Hindi kami natanggap.
So ay kay daddy.
Mas maliit sa akin.
Boy, syempre. Kay mami ang malaki. Thank you po sa inyo sa pagsuporta sa akin. Sayang wala si Andre eh.
I feel love when I'm with you. Feelings of love, skies under the moon. Take a ride, going overdrive, don't need a run. You and me.
Same pa rin ang dati. Ingat na lang at good luck. Good wishes na lang.
Thank you sa lahat, Daddy.
Please help me welcome our newlywed couple, Christian and Chester, Mr. and Mrs. Lotino.
I will hold your hand and never let you face anything alone. No matter what life brings, I will be here loving you, supporting you, and growing with you. I love you.
Love you too. Mahal na mahal kita, Chester Julin Ramilo Lotino. Hanggang sa huling sandali ng aking buhay, mamahalin kita.